Tonight marks a turning point in artificial intelligence. The world of AI is evolving at a pace we've never seen before, and what's happening right now will shape the future for years to come. For a long time, ChatGPT has been the undisputed leader in the AI space, setting the standard for what conversational AI can do. But now its dominance is being challenged by a bold new contender that's capturing the attention of experts and users alike. Enter Claude 3.5 Sonnet, Anthropic's latest model, making waves with its promise of speed, intelligence, and affordability. This isn't just a minor update, it's a significant leap forward, designed to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI. This isn't just another upgrade, it's a leap that could transform how we work, create, and solve problems. Imagine teams collaborating seamlessly, creative professionals unlocking new ideas, and businesses finding smarter solutions faster than ever before. Sonnet is already being called the new benchmark for AI utility, sending shockwaves through Silicon Valley and beyond. Industry insiders are buzzing, and companies everywhere are rethinking their strategies in response to this breakthrough. Designed for high-stakes professional tasks, it's built for accuracy, nuance, and sophisticated reasoning. Whether it's analyzing complex data, drafting legal documents, or generating creative content, Sonnet is engineered to deliver results you can trust. For professionals in finance, law, and creative industries, Sonnet offers a more reliable, secure AI partner. It's not just about automation, it's about empowering people to achieve more with the help of advanced technology. The tools at your disposal are becoming exponentially more powerful, fueling a new era of innovation. We're entering a time when AI will be at the heart of every major breakthrough, driving progress across every field. Tonight, we'll dive into what makes Claude 3.5 Sonnet different, how it stacks up against the competition, and what it means for your future. We'll break down the features, the technology, and the real-world impact you can expect. The race for AI supremacy is on, and it's about to get interesting. With new players entering the field and established giants fighting to stay ahead, the stakes have never been higher. Stay with us as we unpack this breaking story, bringing you the latest updates and expert insights on the future of artificial intelligence. So, what exactly is Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and why is it generating so much buzz in the tech world? It's Anthropic's most advanced large language model yet, representing a significant leap forward in AI capabilities. Trained on vast amounts of text and code, it's not just an incremental step, it's a new standard for intelligence, speed, and efficiency. Sonnet is twice as fast as its predecessor, Claude 3 Opus, and more affordable, making it a disruptive force in the AI landscape. Positioned strategically between the smaller Haiku and the future Opus, Sonnet is the go-to choice for most professional use cases, offering versatility and power. It's engineered for scaling AI applications, handling complex customer service tasks, and powering sophisticated data analysis. Why now? Because today's AI needs to be a true collaborator, capable of nuanced understanding, managing multi-step workflows, and delivering reliable, creative output. Sonnet meets this demand, excelling at reasoning, interpreting complex charts, and even writing code from simple prompts, making it indispensable. Its arrival raises the bar for the entire industry, pushing competitors like OpenAI to innovate faster and more effectively. For users, this means access to more powerful, efficient, and safer AI tools that enhance productivity and creativity. The focus is shifting to practical, enterprise-grade reliability, ensuring that AI solutions are robust and dependable. The benchmark for excellence just moved higher, setting a new standard for what AI can achieve in the modern world. What makes Claude 3.5 Sonnet a powerhouse? Let's break it down. First, advanced reasoning. Sonnet tackles complex problems, from legal analysis to financial forecasting, with human-like depth. Second, document and visual understanding. It interprets charts, graphs, and even handwritten notes, unlocking insights from non-text data. Third, multi-step instruction handling. Sonnet manages intricate workflows, maintaining context across research, drafting, and content creation. Fourth, safety. Anthropic's commitment to minimizing harmful or biased content is built into Sonnet's core. Fifth, seamless integrations. Sonnet is available via API and on major cloud platforms, making it easy to embed in existing systems. These pillars make Sonnet a versatile, trustworthy tool for professionals and developers alike. It's not just smarter, it's safer and easier to use. The result, a model ready for real-world, high-stakes applications. That's the foundation of Sonnet's power. Sonnet's real impact is in how it's transforming work. Content creators use it to brainstorm, draft, and refine ideas faster than ever, with natural, on-brand results. Developers rely on its advanced coding skills for writing, debugging, and translating code, accelerating projects and learning. Businesses automate feedback analysis and internal support, freeing employees for higher-value work. In education and research, Sonnet summarizes dense papers, explains complex concepts, and organizes sources, speeding up discovery. Its ability to distill information and execute multi-step tasks is changing how professionals operate. Sonnet isn't just theoretical, it's already reshaping workflows across industries. The future of work is here, and it's powered by smarter AI. Ready to try Claude 3.5 Sonnet? Anthropic has made it easy. Visit Claude.ai to use Sonnet for free, or upgrade to Claude Pro for higher usage and priority access. Developers can integrate Sonnet via API. Just sign up for a key through Anthropic's console, with competitive, usage-based pricing. Sonnet is also available on Amazon Bedrock and Google Cloud's Vertex AI, so businesses can deploy it within their existing cloud infrastructure. This broad availability lowers barriers for both startups and enterprises. Using Sonnet is simple. Type your questions or instructions in plain English. For best results, be clear and specific in your prompts. The more detail you provide, the more tailored the response. Experiment with different prompts to unlock Sonnet's full potential. Getting started is just a few clicks away. How does Claude 3.5 Sonnet stack up against ChatGPT, the reigning champion from OpenAI? For years, ChatGPT, especially GPT-4o, set the standard for conversational AI. But Sonnet is now challenging that lead, especially in intelligence and reasoning. Benchmarks show Sonnet outperforming GPT-4o in graduate-level reasoning, knowledge, and coding. Sonnet's edge-deep logical analysis and multi-step problem-solving, crucial for law, finance, and engineering. Anthropic's new Artifacts feature lets users see and edit generated content in real time, creating a dynamic workspace. ChatGPT still leads an ecosystem and integrations, with a vast library of third-party tools and brand recognition. For many, ChatGPT remains the default, but Sonnet is quickly gaining ground. The competition is heating up, and users now have real choices. The best model depends on your needs, creativity and integrations, or analytical depth and safety. The AI landscape is no longer one-size-fits-all. Let's take a closer look at how Claude 3.5 Sonnet and ChatGPT stack up against each other in 4 crucial areas: memory, safety, reasoning, and integrations. These differences can have a significant impact on which model is best suited for your needs, whether you're an individual user or part of a large organization. Sonnet boasts a massive 200,000 token context window, enough to analyze entire books or code bases in one go. This means it can keep track of much more information in a single conversation, making it ideal for handling complex projects, reviewing lengthy documents, or managing detailed technical discussions without losing context. On safety, Anthropic's roots in responsible AI make Sonnet more cautious, reducing harmful outputs, a big plus for enterprise use. Its design prioritizes minimizing risks and ensuring that responses are appropriate, which is especially important for businesses handling sensitive data or operating in regulated industries. ChatGPT's safety is robust, but its broader use exposes it to more edge cases. Because it's used by millions worldwide in countless scenarios, it sometimes encounters unexpected situations, which can challenge its safeguards. However, OpenAI is constantly updating its safety protocols to address these challenges. In reasoning, Sonnet shines, delivering structured, deeply analytical responses to complex problems. Its ability to break down intricate issues and provide step-by-step solutions makes it a strong choice for technical, legal, or business analysis. ChatGPT is more creative, often generating imaginative ideas and flexible responses. But Sonnet's logic and depth stand out for business and technical tasks, where accuracy and thoroughness are critical. For integrations, ChatGPT's ecosystem is unmatched, with thousands of custom tools and widespread adoption. Its compatibility with a vast array of plugins and third-party services makes it a go-to for users seeking versatility and convenience. Sonnet is catching up fast, thanks to partnerships with AWS and Google Cloud. These collaborations are rapidly expanding its integration capabilities, making it increasingly attractive for organizations already invested in these platforms. Ultimately, your choice comes down to what you value most: a vast consumer-focused ecosystem with endless options, or a curated enterprise-ready platform designed for reliability and control. Both models are evolving rapidly, with new features and improvements rolling out all the time. As the competition heats up, users can expect even more innovation and better tools, making this an exciting time for anyone interested in AI. Claude 3.5 Sonnet's arrival isn't just news, it's a game-changer for professionals and businesses. Individuals now have a smarter, more reliable AI partner for complex tasks, freeing up time for creative and strategic work. Businesses can deploy more advanced automation, smarter customer service, and deeper data analysis at lower costs. Enhanced safety features mean greater confidence in using AI for sensitive roles. The AI market is maturing, with real competition, driving innovation, and better tools for users. The future of work is arriving fast. Embrace these tools as collaborators, not replacements. Start experimenting, learn their strengths, and position yourself at the forefront of this shift. The way we work is changing. Don't get left behind. We've explored how Claude 3.5 Sonnet is raising the bar in AI. Its advanced reasoning, speed, and features like artifacts are already making an impact across industries. The competition with ChatGPT signals a new era. No single model fits every need. Now users can choose the right tool for their specific goals. This rivalry will only make both platforms better. The story of AI is unfolding in real time and you're part of it. We want to hear from you. Have you tried Claude 3.5 Sonnet? How does it compare to ChatGPT? What new possibilities do you see for these tools in your work or life? Share your experiences and questions. Your insights shape the future of AI. Thanks for joining us on this journey.